And then she starts saying, well, you know, you got that CN thing in the garage. Well, workshop actually. Workshop. Yeah, okay, whatever. Well, and you program it or make funny shapes on it. Yeah. And you know, we bought our daughter that wooden train track stuff, you know, that Brio, although obviously not Brio because that's really expensive. Push the train down in, it's got the little grooves in it and it sort of joins all together. Yes, I said. And what she wanted to do was to lay the track out all the way around the lounge in a really long circuit. Yes, I said. Well, it turns out you can't buy really long straights, they're all quite short. Yes, I said, wondering where it was heading. You know what I mean? This sort of stuff just sort of slots together. I mean, look at that fit. Well, yeah, okay. Well, let's have a look at it then. It's, how thick is it? Okay, 1238, 1235, 1229, 1216. It's all over the place. There's no quality control on this stuff. Let's call it 12.3. I guess it'd be useful to make something rather than just modify yet another tool. So I've done a little bit of sanding and cleaning up at the edges. It's only pine, so it's never going to be a beautiful finish, but I think it'll be alright. I might even varnish it, we'll see. So, what have we got? Let's just check the length. So we were looking for, well, she asked for a 600mm part. And there we are, 600, that's good. And then the other thing to check, I guess, is does it actually fit with the original pieces? They seem to give so much clearance around the parts. I guess it's just to allow for a bit of tolerancing in manufacturing, but key thing is the rails line up, so that's good. That's that end. And then on the other end, it's a bit tighter. We got, yeah, it looks like, yeah, they've machined their hole off centre, which means my part, which is in the middle, means that rail slightly misaligns. What about the other side? That's why they make them so baggy, because they don't make them properly. Let's try that end. Oh, it's better. And there we go. So I guess I can always just take a little bit off there just to allow for all the tolerancing. We'll see how the train runs. There we go. There's our extra track. And if you're going to make one, you may as well make two. And if you're going to make two, you may as well make 6. As always. Thanks for watching.